Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your account on 8ballpool's application. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your account on 8ballpool, firstly go ahead and launch open your 8ballpool application. The home page of 8ballpool application will appear on the screen. Now to reset your account, click on little gear icon at the bottom left corner of the page and tap on logout. The next thing that you can do is open up your settings application. Scroll down and tap on app management. On the next page, click on app list. Tap on 8ballpool application. Now all you need to do is tap on force stop. Confirm application to force stop by tapping on force stop once again. Another thing that you can do is tap on storage users option. Clear your data and cache memory by tapping on clear data and clear cache option. This is how you can reset your account on 8ballpool quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.